Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we're taking a look at a 2024 Cadillac XT5 Premium Luxury featured in Argent Silver Metallic with a maple sugar interior. Under the hood sits a 3.6-liter V6 paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include ultraview power sunroof, heated front seats, Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto, a wireless charging pad, hands-free power liftgate as well as a head-up display. Some safety features include backup camera, a rear camera washer, automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, as well as front pedestrian braking, and much more. Taking a look at our interior, here's our door with power lock and unlock, memory seating, front and rear powered windows, as well as powered mirrors. We've got some storage and cup holder space below, as well as the power liftgate controls. We have the Bose Performance Series speakers on the top and the bottom. And here we can take a look at this beautiful interior. Just to the left of the seat, we have our power seating as well as power lumbar. And we can go ahead and hop inside. Just to the left when you get inside, we have our power park brake as well as the heads-up display. And we can take a look at that steering wheel with the wood grain accent. We can go ahead and take a look at our radio controls here. Comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We can connect the phone right there, and it also has the navigation. This one's pretty straightforward. We have the climate control here, as well as the manual controls down below. We have heated and ventilated seats for both driver and passenger. We can take a closer look at our steering wheel here. We have the cruise control on the left side, the infotainment screen controls on the right. Taking a look at the bottom left here, we have our forward collision alert, lane keep assist, as well as the heated steering wheel. And we can go ahead and move over down below. We have some storage here, 2 cup holders in the middle. We can push that and it'll close up and make it look super nice. Infotainment screen controls here, traction control, wireless charging, and here's the center console. And take a look inside. We have storage up top, more storage below, as well as a USB-C and a USB plug-in. Taking a look right here, we have our rear view mirror. Above that, we have our OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights and the sunroof controls. Here we can take a look at the sunroof. See a ton of sunroof there. We also have the other seat right here. Very nice. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. Color match mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, as well as the blind zone assist. Privacy tint on the rear windows, and we can go ahead and make our way to the back here. The hands-free power liftgate, we can also just double click to open it up. Here in the back, we have a ton of storage space. We also have a rear storage cover. We have spare tire below with some tools and extra storage space. Lights on either side for visibility. And we can also drop these rear seats down using these manual controls right here to get a ton of extra storage space in here. To close her up, all we gotta do is push this button. It's gonna drop down for us. Now taking a look at the rear interior, here's our door with powered windows, some storage and cup holder space below, and our Bose Performance Series speakers. Here we can take a look at these nice seats. It is a 60-40 seat split, and we can go ahead and hop inside. The back of each seat we have magazine holders, handle matched with the dome light on either side. And taking a look at the middle here, we have our rear climate control with the rear vents, some storage there, and all the way down at the bottom we have our USB-C and a USB plug-in. Taking a look in the middle, we can drop this down for an armrest / cup holder, and we also have a great view from the back here. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2024 Cadillac XT5 Premium Luxury. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.